back to the Herbal Bunny. My name is Tamitha. I am a master herbalist and I'm currently studying to become a naturopath. All right, so we're just gonna dive into this next part of our series on cleansing our body the proper way. Hopefully you guys had great success with doing your fasting, whether it was 3 days or up to 10 days, however you guys wanted to do that, and you didn't have too much problems, and that you are now fasted up and ready for this cleanse. All right, so everything is going to kind of stay the same with getting rid of toxins wise with products and cleaning supplies and the skin brushing. We're still going to do that. The meditation, the at least 10 minutes a day, the earthing, all that is going to stay the same. Things that's going to change is we're no longer going to be fasting, but we are going to be cleansing. Our diet's going to change just a little tiny bit. You're like, yeah, it's going to change a lot. Which, yeah, you're right, it's going to change a lot. Okay, so that was a lie. I'm sorry. It's going to change a lot. All right, so the steps of cleansing is very important. A lot of people go full force into a cleanse and then they have some crazy symptoms, which is called the Herxheimer reaction. That's where your body actually morphs into a zombie. I'm joking. It does not. But you feel like you're going to die because these symptoms are like, what is happening to my body? I have a headache. I have acne. I'm crying every day. My stomach hurts. My butt hurts. And so hopefully by doing these things in a specific order, we're going to help prevent some, or ease, I'm not going to say prevent because that's not the word I want to use, but help to ease the symptoms of the Herxheimer reaction, or not get those, okay? All right, so the first part of our cleanse, we're going to do this for 1 week, okay? Make a note, jot it down. 1 week, we're going to cleanse out our bowels. Yeah, I know it's a shitty situation, but we're going to clean out our pipes. And the reason why we're doing that first is because everything else goes through that way to exit our body, okay? So that's why it's important to cleanse out the pathway, the main pathway first. Okay, 70% of our immune system is in our gut. So it's important to get that clean. 70% of our immune system, 70% of diseases all accumulates because we are clogged up. All right. Some of the herbs I like to take for cleansing that area out, I have my list, is fennel, ginger, rhubarb, cascara sagrada, and golden seal. Golden seal is going to help kill all the bad bacteria, the bugs and all that crap, and fennel is going to help with the toot-toots. Ginger is going to help kind of settle your stomach if you have cramps and things like that, and the cascara and the turkey rhubarb is going to make you go poo-poo, and it's going to also help get rid of some of the stuff that's kind of clogged on the insides of the pipe. You know, it's kind of like the brush that's going to get in all the cracks and crevices and help scoochy things along, okay? So I like to make these into capsules. You can actually buy Dr. Christopher's lower bowel formula. You can do that on Amazon or iherb.com. But Dr. Christopher's lower bowel formula is awesome for getting that down. And the most of the ingredients is what I just listed. But I make capsules myself. So when you're doing a cleanse for your colon, you start off with 1 capsule. 3 times a day. The goal is to not get diarrhea, but you do want to be eliminating pretty frequently. No diarrhea, okay? Keep that in mind. So we're going to start day 1. We're going to take 1 capsule 3 times a day. The next day, we're going to take 2 capsules 3 times a day. And we're going to work up from there. Now, if any point you feel like you're squirting, you need to back off. Okay, we don't want you to be dehydrated. All right, so speaking of dehydration, the last video during the fasting, I said you want to drink your body weight in ounces. This time you're going to be drinking half of your body weight in ounces. So if you're a 200-pound person, you're going to be drinking 100 ounces of water. Not just any water, not tap water. That stuff has crap in it. Look at your local water source. Oh my God, the stuff they put in your water. But I do distilled water, or you can actually buy a filtration system. The one I use is called Zero Water, and you can get that off of Amazon. Maybe I'll put some links down below if I remember. Distilled water or zero water, some sort of filtered water that you're going to be drinking half of your body weight in ounces every single day. Staying hydrated is important. Do not get to the point where you have diarrhea. All right, so you're gonna do that for 1 week. Your diet, okay? That's where I said, it ain't gonna change much, but it's gonna change. You wanna eat 100% raw food diet, okay? If your stomach can handle it, everything, find out what you can. Maybe you have to do mono meal, or not malto meal, mono, like one fruit, like oranges or grapes or whatever, for a meal. Switch it up, whatever, but lots of fresh, organic, raw fruits and veggies all day long, as much as you want. Cram it in. There's not a limit that what you can do. Just eat it according to how you feel that you need to do, okay? It's important for lots of nutrients. It's got a lot of fiber. The fiber is going to gobble up all the crap that's in your system and whoosh, take it out the back door into the pot of water below. All right, and that is it. I'm just like killing this here. And I'm right here next to a window, and across the street from my yard, there's a truck sitting there it's parked, and I feel like they're just staring at me at this point. Yeah, but anyway, focus, focus, focus. Squirrel! All right, you guys, keep up with the sleeping, 8 to 9 hours, earthing, yoga, walking, no strenuous exercises. Go back, watch the first video on the fasting and what things to eliminate, and we're still doing that, this part. The only thing is we're not fasting. You are actually eating lots of raw, fresh fruits and veggies. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next part for the next system that we're going to be cleansing. All right, you guys, good luck. See you in the next video.